Hello designers, in this video I am going to teach you how to make this type of thumbnail in Photoshop. If you watch this video then you can make this type of thumbnails easily. You can download all these assets using video link in description. Let's start designing. First, create a new document of this size in Photoshop and insert our PNGs into new document. At first, we remove our background using pen tool. Now, make duplicate layer by clicking Ctrl plus J. Hide this layer and start using pen tool. Click this pen icon and set its mode on path. Now click and make path around your subject like this. Now simply make a path where you can see clearly. When it's come to select here, I will give you the cheat code. Now watch and listen carefully. When you see her like this, first select outside of here. We will refine it later. Again make a path around here like this. After connecting all points, go to layers and hit Ctrl plus enter in keyboard to make selection. Then click on quick selection tool and click on select and mask. Here's come the main part. Before removing background, make sure your brush hardness should be 0. Then click on second brush and plus icon and make hardness 0. Now brush on the white area slowly like this. Here you can see some hair is removed and look transparent. To bring it back and refine here, press Alt and click on mask area. Then this black and white appears. Now choose a brush, change blending mode to overlays and make 100% opacity. Now select white color by clicking here and paint on those areas white. Alt hold and click on max area to go back to original layer. Now click right mouse button and convert into smart object. Now drag this and drop into our main canvas. Here this glass looks odd, so we have to remove it. First rasterize this layer to use patch tool. Click and select tool from here. Now select the glass area and slide it to right. Again do same. Now we have to add background on it. Simply unlock layer and convert into smart object. Then drag and drop on main document and resize it like this. Click OK and move this layer below subject layer. Now we make face smooth. Keep this layer by holding Alt and click in between layers. Now add camera raw filter, then reduce texture to -53 and add noise reduction to 48 and click OK. Make a mask on it by clicking this icon and convert it into inverse mask. Now zoom little bit. Use brush tool and reduce opacity to 56, then choose white color. Now paint on skin area like this. Here you can see the difference. Now we use burn and dodge technique to make contrast on face. To add burn effect, click on adjustment, select curve, clip it like this and pull the string downward to add darkness. Now invert this mask using Ctrl plus I. Then choose a brush with white color and make its opacity 80. Paint on hairs, eyebrows, beard and other area like this. Here you can see the difference. Again, add a curve, clip it and pull this string higher to add highlights. Then invert this mask and choose brush with white color. Now brush with low opacity in nose, cheeks, forehead for better result like this. Here you can see the difference. Now we add green color on his coat. To add color, click on adjustment and choose solid color. Then choose green color. Here I use code to add green color. Now click OK and clip it. Then change this blending mode to soft light. Now to show green color only on coat, invert this mask using Ctrl I. Choose brush with white color and paint it coat with full opacity like this. It looks cool but little bit darker, so I add levels to add little brightness on coat. Now clip it and add some brightness. Here it's effect the whole subject but we only need it on coat. So hold Alt on keyboard and put this color layer mask on labels mask. Here you can see the difference. Now we make this. First go to tool and select circle tool. Then fill it with white color and stroke with red and size of 5px. Now make a perfect circle by holding shift on keyboard like this. Then duplicate it by holding Alt and drag mouse or Ctrl J. Now go to properties and change this stroke color green. Now we add green tick marks. Here I have black marks. Now I make it green just like that. Now drag it on main document and resize it like this. Again we did same with this red cross. Now we will add this silver texture on the circles. Simply copy this and paste it here and convert it to smart object. Now drag it on top of circle and clip it. Let's push this GPT icon on top of circle like this. And add inner shadow of this setting for more depth. Again repeat same with those three icons. Now we add this plant on our thumbnail in front of this icon for realistic vibe. Let's make a simple glow on background. First choose a solid color layer and choose this color with this color code and hit OK. Then change this blending mode to soft light. Now invert this mask and add glow using brush with white color. At last, we add a highlights on subject. First, we group all these layers and name it man group. Then choose solid color and select this color for highlight. Now change blending mode to soft light and opening blending mode by double click on layer. And slide this on right while holding Alt on keyboard for smooth transition. Inverse marks by pressing Ctrl plus I and start painting on hair area like this. Again choose a solid color and fill with same color and clip it on group. Then invert its marks and start painting on its coat and skin areas like this. Again choose a solid color and fill with same color and clip it on group. Now change this blending mode on soft light. Then invert his marks and start painting on his hands. At last, click on top of all layers and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E on keyboard. Then the new layers appears. Now convert it into a smart object and add camera filter. Finally, thumbnail is ready to show. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe this channel and join us with more creative thumbnail design. Thank you.